look, current. Hi, Nan. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year to both of you.
How are you?
Good, thank you,
Good,
darling.
good.
Yes.
Come here. What are you going to say? Beg your pardon? Thank you. That's a good girl. Thank you, darling.
Oh, lovely.
You're my princess, aren't you? You're my princess. That's right.
Nice spot, girl.
When you grow up and you can do the dishes, I'll let you do the dishes too.
No, I want to be a nurse.
A nurse. That's good. I hope you can be a nurse. But when you're not working at work, you can come and do my dishes.
Paris,
You can wash dishes.
Paris, Paris, come here. You say Merry Christmas to Lolo Jeff.
Merry Christmas, Jeff.
Hold on, wait, hold on, I'll put it on speaker. Go on.
Thank you, Lula Jeff.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you, love. You have a great Christmas, eh? Here you got lots of presents. It's good.
Yes. So thank you for the present.
Thank you for the presents.
Thank you, you're welcome. And when I come up and see you, I'll bring lots of treasure.
What did you tell Lolo Jeff what you did with the treasure the other day?
I put the treasure in the bank.
Oh, good. Good. And I'll bring up much more of it. Gold one.
Joey, there you are.
Merry Christmas
Daddy, I want to go over there.
from our family to yours. It is the 25th of December, everyone. Of course, kasi nga Pasko, di ba? Buang talaga itong mga nyo. We are all dressed up. Tingnan nyo, dito kami sa labas. It's a lovely day. Christmas day. Beautiful day kasi hindi siya umuulan. And the baby girl is here. Anak, dito tayo, anak. Oh. Anak ko. Oh. Who's that? Who's that? Oh. We are on our way to Nanan Pass
Quick.
now. Is your mom gonna be there?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, mom will be there as well. So, everyone is magtitipon-tipon doon. Ayan ang ating, ito ang pa-outfit ng ating baby girl. Tingnan nyo naka-dress. Uy, big girl. Pa-outfit natin, Paris. Anak, show tita and tito your outfit, be.
Model like Diana. Quick.
Come on, model like Diana. I am Diana,
Quick.
princess of play. Show us our outfit,
I
baby.
know.
So, here's our outfit for today, for Christmas.
There.
Ayan, anak, anak. What's up? So, pinapaginaw lang namin yung sasakyan, guys, because it's a bit hot. Kasi yung sasakyan ay nabilad sa araw. So, just waiting for a little bit and then we will make a move. I'll show you Daddy's outfit.
What is it, Diana pose?
Yeah. Kalma lang ang outfit ni Daddy Mark natin. Ding, you hold silin Daddy be. I'll show them
Daddy, look what I found.
What did you find?
her outfit. It's very hard to show habang hinahawakan ko siya, guys. May, hello, my beautiful. This way, Daddy. Hi, what a beautiful girl you are, my love. Hi.
Say
Big
hello.
girl. Big girl. My big girl. Say, how's your Christmas, tita and tito? How's your Christmas? I was sleeping and mommy woke me up para bihisan. Yeah. So we'll go na, guys. Alis na tayo. Alam nyo, super antok pa ako, guys. Kitang-kita naman sa aking mga mata, guys. Oh, grabe kasi last night I went to bed at 4 o'clock. Kasi yun nga, pupunta na tayo ng Brisbane soon, diba? Kaya kailangan na natin tapusin yung pagpapak. And I went to bed so late. Kaya ngayon ay naligo talaga ako, guys, para magising yung aking dugo. Bakit? Magdadrive po tayo. Uy! Here, face here.
What's that kiss?
Kiss. Are you going to see Nan and Pa?
Yep.
And Lola?
You want Karen?
And little Karen?
A few moments later.
Honey, we're here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Celine's sleeping too. We just got here, guys. It's 4 o'clock now.
Thank you, darling.
Everyone is here.
Is that your baby sister asleep? Were you having a little sleep too? Yeah.
Yes, Nana. I'm here. What's that? Hi, Lola Karen. Hi, Nan. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year to both of you.
How are you?
Good, thank you,
Good,
darling.
good.
Yes.
That's good. Merry Christmas, Mom.
Merry Christmas.
Lola Karen again. Yeah, you do.
They're growing.
Okay, Celine.
Baby's beautiful.
Yay, she's sleeping.
Yeah, look at her.
Chubby chub. Chubby chub.
She loves the
Honey Baby girl. Honey. We're here. We're here.
Look.
Yes.
It's growing really well.
She loves it. How you been, Nan?
Good only for my leg.
Have you done the...
No, they can't do it because of the coat.
Oh, really?
So it's really painful, but I'm still walking.
You're okay?
Yeah, just getting around, that's all.
Go for it.
Thank you.
And that's when I get up to
Thank
step.
you.
You right now?
Yes,
How's my princess going?
thank you, Michael.
What's that?
You haven't paid your electricity, Pa.
Beg your pardon?
You haven't paid your electricity.
No, no. You just been what?
Merry Christmas to you. How are you, Pa?
Hello.
I made this. I
Beg
got
your-
more slices.
This is for you.
Oh, beautiful Christmas tree.
That's a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? That's beautiful, isn't it? Is this what you got for Christmas?
They got a Christmas tree. So beautiful.
Is this?
I got a big one.
She wants to make it with you. She wants to make it with you later.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right.
That's why she took it.
Is that unicorn?
I got the new scissors.
Show me. Show me. What do you say to Lola?
For you, Celine.
Wow. You love that.
Mommy, look.
She loves grabbing at stuff now.
My,
That is so
I got a
nice,
unicorn
honey.
my favorite toy. I like
You
like
love
it?
unicorn, don't you? Okay. That's nice. Ah, dip, 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 dip.
Says he likes
You hold it
Yes.
straight to the mouth.
This is a puzzle for
Wow, Paris
More
loves
puzzles.
puzzle.
I got more.
You want to play together?
When the camera's finished.
Wait, so you're expecting more?
this is.
Daddy, this is my favorite toy.
This is for Celine, but I know that Paris will still like playing on it.
Is that a
Your
phone?
own mobile
Paris,
phone.
Paris loves phone.
I like phone, baby. Do I?
You do.
What do you use the phone for, honey?
To call.
To call?
Interested.
Who are you going to call?
Lola.
Lola? What's that? 0.
Show your sister, Celine. You hold it.
For me.
Yeah. Tell her.
What's this, honey?
Listen up. What's this, honey?
Both lovely. They're more than lovely.
Oh, chicken girl, you are.
Don't you look pretty? Both of you. I've got this for you, Paris, but Celine can use it when she's got
yeah.
more hair.
Mommy.
Yes, please.
I heard what you said.
Oh, bless you. Turkey, turkey.
It's good for you. That's palm. Look here.
You want food now?
Oh, that's.
No, I'm watching where you are.
Oh, look.
Can you just
Jovi.
can you turn the aircon off for a little bit, just while Celine's sitting like that?
There.
Fix your crown, Paris.
That it?
Open your one, mommy.
Yeah, okay. Let's eat first, okay?
Thank you.
Eat fast.
Fork.
Cheese.
No. That's good. Very nice. In a puppy world. Oh, it's your creation.
Ala la 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 la. I'm eating here. Pinabantayan kong baby girl na.
No, I'm not doing that.
Nelly put on you?
It got off for some reason. I did have it on. And they said that YouTube took it off a lot of TVs.
Oh, it's really. Yeah, they try to get you. Oh, could you pass me the credit? Paris, Nanny says.
One nana.
Nanny says.
Who's that, honey?
One nana, and then you can have some chips.
Tingnan niyo to siya, guys. Hindi ko na to siya maiwan-iwan ba. She rolls na a lot every time you put her down. Celine Ray.
I got some, yeah.
Celine. Boop, boop, boop. My name is Bunny. What is your name? What is your name? Hello. Hello. Can I give you a kiss? Mm. Oh, your dress now. Don't eat your dress. Don't eat your dress. What are you doing out there?
I'm just taking photos. I can't make the
Huh?
puzzle.
Nanny, come in a minute. You don't get those. You need some trifle, Jamie.
No.
Some trifle.
I'm alright for now, Nan. Thank you. Yeah.
You got it plugged down with a small thing.
Boom. Boom.
My keys are...
Boom, boom, boom. Kakapadede ko lang, guys. Oh. 7 o'clock at night. Nandito pa rin kami kina Nani and Papa. She's very tired. It's been a long day. Show me, honey. Show me.
Oh my god.
Show me what you got. Oh, that is so cool. Who gave you that?
Lemon.
Nan. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you,
Why
Nan.
not saying thank you to me?
Daddy, I cut open it. I cut.
Oh, Nanny carry it. Got your glass? Good girl.
I'm sorry. You finish this one first. You finish this one, and then Nani will give you
Nanny will give you this
one. Yeah. Good
Yes,
girl.
good girl.
Finish the milk. Hi. You say thank you to Papa too now.
Yeah.
Kasi
Papa.
he's not listening.
Papa, listen to little Paris.
Yeah.
Okay, say it again.
Say it again to Papa.
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 I can't see you. Come here. What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Beg your pardon?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good girl.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
You're my princess, aren't you? You're my princess. That's right.
You're a sport girl. You're a sport girl, aren't
Can I
you?
call you? Ah, can I call you?
When you grow up and you can do the dishes, I'll let you do the dishes too.
Now I want to be a nurse.
A nurse. That's good. I hope you can be a nurse.
That's
Paris, come here.
But when you're not working at work, you can come and do my dishes.
Paris,
You can wash dishes.
Paris. Paris, come here. Come here. You say Merry Christmas to Lolo Jeff.
Merry Christmas, Jeff.
Hold on, wait, hold on, I'll put it on speaker. Go on.
Thank you, Lula Jeff.
Merry Christmas.
No worries.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you, love. You have a great Christmas, eh? Here you got lots of presents. It's good.
Yes. So thank you for the present.
Thank you for the presents.
Thank you, you're welcome. And when I come up and see you, I'll bring lots of treasure.
What did you
Lots of treasure.
tell Lolo Jeff what you did with the treasure the other day?
I put the treasure in the bank.
Oh, good. Good. And I'll bring up much more of it. Gold one.
Joey, there you are.
Wait.
It's time to change the nappy. It's time to change the nappy.
Man.
I'll change the nappy. Change natin yung damit niya, guys, kasi it's full of
Cut some ham.
drooling.
Do you like the ham?
Hmm?
Do you like the ham?
Yeah.
I'll bring some ham. Do you want me to bring anything else up? Like the tripe? Do me to bring.
Hello, people. I just changed my clothes. Whoop. 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 We're getting ready to go home because it's getting late now, guys. It's nearly 9 o'clock na yata ngayon. No, we still have to drive for 45 to 50 minutes. Isn't that right, Nak? You're going to sleep in the car. You are going to sleep in the car, my beautiful girl. Hello. Palangga si mama eh. Palangga.
What about me? Can I have a kiss? Come
Bye
here, then.
bye, Nanny and Papa.
Come out.
Come here and give me a kiss.
This one is
You're a
Filipina.
special girl, aren't you?
Cheers.
And I tell you what, you're a heavy girl too.
You get heavy.
Hello.
Oh, don't forget that.
No.
We'll see you again on
Yeah,
Wednesday.
Nanny sees on Wednesday.
Put it in the car already.
So thank you, Nanny and Papa, for the dinner.
And Peppa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a happy new year.
And happy New Year. I love you.
I love you.
And I love you too so much.